Now, there's also a political fight that's been playing out between the BJP and the Trinamool Congress. The BJP has now released a video from the night of the crime at the RG Kaur Hospital. And the BJP has put out this video, which you see on your screens, to claim that the hospital crime scene was tampered with. They've released this video to claim that outsiders were seen at the crime scene and that the Kolkata cops allowed these outsiders to enter the seminar hall. This video has been put out by BJP's Amit Malviya, which is seemingly from the seminar hall of the hospital from the night of the crime, he claims. And they've said this, they put out this video to allege that there were outsiders who were allowed into the crime scene and therefore it was completely compromised. We're waiting for a reaction to come in from the Trinamool Congress to these claims being made by the BJP and this video that they've released, claiming it's proof of the allegations. And let's cut across to more breaking news that's coming in. Now you've got a response from the Kolkata police to the BJP video claiming that the crime scene was compromised. The Kolkata police has maintained that no one was allowed inside the crime scene and that the crime scene was cordoned off immediately. They've maintained that evidence wasn't tampered with and no outsiders were allowed at the scene of crime. So the Kolkata police responding to the allegations by the BJP. The BJP, remember, has released this video, which you see on your screens right now. The Kolkata police, in response to BJP's allegations that these were outsiders inside the seminar hall, has maintained that that is simply not true. No outsiders were allowed and the crime scene was cordoned off. Shreya Chatterjee is joining us with more details on this. Shreya, big political showdown with a video being released by the BJP saying this is from the seminar hall, claiming that the seminar hall was completely compromised and outsiders were allowed in. We've seen this already playing out in the Supreme Court. But first time really that the BJP has put out what they refer to as video evidence of the crime scene being compromised.
Well, actually, we already know the video that Amit Malviya has put it out, suggesting that the crime scene was altered with. Now, the Kolkata police's version, whether or not that version is something to be believed is absolutely independent. But what the Kolkata police is suggesting is that this seminar hall was at least a 55 feet square foot long. The alleged crime had taken place at the dais of the seminar hall. They allegedly had cordoned off the entire space to up till 40 square feet, but the video that has been released, it's about 11 square feet from that very hall. And they suggest that at least the place where the body was found, the dais, still up till that they have cordoned the area, no one was allowed. However, it's really difficult for anyone to believe that why in fact was so many people allowed inside the seminar hall, because what it makes difficult for law enforcement agencies is because it's difficult to gather fingerprints, it is difficult to gather other scientific evidence. When people are moving in, it also destroys evidence. So somewhere down the line, the Kolkata police will have to come up with a better alibi than suggesting that they had cordoned off the place within the seminar hall where the body was found and the remain was not cordoned off. Whether or not that alibi is to be believed by people is something that is absolutely independent to them.
This is going to trigger a fresh war of words. There's no doubt about that. We will track the reactions that come in. Thanks very much, Shreya, for joining us with those details.